Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have changes that have happened. Quite a few changes, actually, that have happened with the preview update of May, sorry, that we received last week, and that will be, of course, tomorrow available for everybody with the Patch Tuesday for June, which are happening tomorrow on the 9th of June. So this actually is one that is nice for when we reinstall Windows. Remember how weird our names when we look at the Windows folders. We always had these weird names that were already decided the by the computer at the install phase, and we would end up with these weird names that were very short that were kind of derived from whatever we would give it. Well, this era is now changed. There is now on the install page when you start doing a clean install of Windows, this new um, setting or this new option that you're asked: user folder name. So now it will let you do a limited, but still you will choose the user folder name yourself. It won't be derived from some cryptic number that the computer has done or decided to give you, with the device name and so on. So, user folder name is now an option when you install. So you'll be able to have something that is a little more that makes sense. Basically, could give it a name that is going to be mean something basically, rather than have something bizarre. So that is one of the features, with a lot of others, including the high latency profile that came through, the Bluetooth, once again, that you can now have two devices sharing audio on Bluetooth, which is very nice, to the camera that can also be shared with multiple apps at the same time. All of that are part of what's going to arrive for most people tomorrow, June the 9th, for Patch Tuesday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.